Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean again for Stage Driven Media. Today we're going to be doing a simple install. It's something you kind of see almost on every G35, usually, at least the ones that I see. It's a pretty simple install. It's basically this bad boy. It's the rear window spoiler. Something simple. I've always kind of wanted to get it on the car. I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and get it. Purchased by eBay. So, you know, don't sleep on eBay now. Like, they got a couple things in there you can buy. I wouldn't recommend too many moving parts, but these little accent stuff, real simple stuff. So let's get into it, guys. We're gonna do this today, all right? Let's go. All right, we're gonna start this. I hope the lighting is okay. One of the things you're gonna need, well, two of the things you're gonna need, definitely some paper towel and some glass cleaner. We're gonna be doing the back of the windows, just kind of prepping everything up. It comes with like some 3M tape, but I don't know how good this is. I guess we'll see how well it holds up. But well, I guess like eBay 3M tape. But we'll see how well it holds up. Key to it all is just prep, really. Trying to basically get a cleaner surface as you possibly can. And you also kind of want, like, it's kind of a cool day today in Florida, but my car's been in the sun pretty much this entire time, so it should be a good enough surface to be able to put this, you know, just to kind of stick it on and have it a nice, fairly warm surface on the glass. But prep is everything, so make sure to prep all that stuff like that. All right. Try to get it on the edge. Probably should have waited on taking off the little sealers that it has on the tape, but we're gonna get it right. Just line everything up on the edge. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's the install video for the rear window spoiler. I hope you guys like it. It's real simple. It's a real simple upgrade. Actually, you can do that to a lot of different cars, not just the G35. So I mean, if you look on eBay, pretty sure you're bound to find something, you know, for your car that can give your car an extra little bit of, you know, flair, or separate your car from, you know, all their, you know, everyone else's, you know what I mean? And even though this is kind of something I see a lot, like online, honestly, I don't really see them a lot in Florida. Like, I don't see a lot of people rocking those. So I was like, screw it, let me go ahead and just get it. Whatever. It's like, I think it was like 40-50 bucks pickup, you know. But yeah, you know, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And like I say every video, stay driven. 1.